Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Electronics and Radar Development Establishment LRDE DRDO Ministry of Defense. Okay, they are having direct walk-in interview and walk-in interview will be on the 12th and the 13th December. But if you want to apply here, you need to give the confirmation today by the 10th, means by end of the day only. Let's check it out here. So first of all, advertisement for the walk-in interview for the award of Junior Research Fellowship. Okay, and when you are going here, you can see the vacancies also. So first of all, subject and discipline, electronics and communication, ECE, number of existing vacancies 3, number of future anticipated 2, computer science 1, electrical 1. What is education qualification they required here? BE Tech. Okay, what is it is clearly mentioned, graduate degree from the recognized university in the specialization whatever. If you are applying for the EC, CS, EE mechanical, to in that one we want BE Tech in first division with GATE or postgraduate degree from recognized university. So if you are having BE Tech, then GATE scorecard is required of any year. If you are having ME Tech, then there is no requirement of GATE scorecard. Okay, and in the mechanical also number of vacancy is 1 here. Okay, so here you can see they mention some uh, information also. Fellowship stipend, so 37,000 per month plus admissible house rent allowances also. Upper age limit is 28 year for the JRF as on the 1st November. The upper age limit shall be relaxable, so they are having some relaxation also. Okay, but they especially they mentioned that this is a fixed term basis job. Okay, JRF recruitment. So initial offer shall be for the period of 2 year, extendable up to a maximum of 4 year as per the provision of scheme or research fellows in the DRDO. But very important information is application procedure. Eligible candidates who are willing to attend the walk-in interview are advised to send their willingness by the email. If you want to attend the walk-in, then you need to give your confirmation, your willingness on this email ID by today only, means by end of the day of 10th December. Okay, the subject field of the email must contain application for the post of JRF subject. Okay, now they are having the walk-in interview on the 12th and the 13th December. On 12th December for EC discipline and 13th December for CS EE and mechanical students. Okay, they mention even the venue also. What is this? The venue is Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, LRD DRDO Township, CV Raman Nagar, Bangalore. Okay, so this especially this recruitment is for the Bangalore students who are nearby the Bangalore. They, if they are willing to work at the DRDO as a JRF, then surely this is a good opportunity for you. Okay, they mentioned the reporting timing also, 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, and some information they mention general instructions which you need to follow, and then you need to apply also here. Okay, and they mention some one application format also which you need to fill in, you need to submit at the time of the walk-in interview also, dear students. So please check it out, this one. And if you are looking for this opportunity, if you wants to work at the DRDO as a JRF, then surely this is a good opportunity for you. You can just use it here. Please read the information here. They mention some general information also. So please read these guidelines, okay, before applying this form. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.